How to make money on YouTube with original content. YouTube offers a vast platform for creators to share their unique perspectives, talents, and stories. Earning money from YouTube involves consistent effort, creativity, and strategy. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you succeed. 1. Define your niche. 1. Choose a topic or niche that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. 1. This could be anything from cooking, travel, and technology to niche hobbies like marble racing or DIY crafts. 2. Ensure your content has a unique angle that sets it apart from others. 2. This will help attract a loyal audience. 2. Create high-quality content. 1. Invest in good equipment like a quality camera, microphone, and lighting. 1. Even a smartphone can produce great videos with proper techniques. 2. Focus on storytelling and editing to make your videos engaging and professional. 3. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and thumbnails to attract clicks and improve visibility. 3. Build an audience. 1. Upload consistently to keep your audience engaged. 1. Consider setting a posting schedule, like weekly or bi-weekly videos. 2. Interact with your viewers by responding to comments, running polls, or hosting live streams. 3. Promote your channel on social media platforms and collaborate with other creators to grow your audience. 4. Join the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. 1. To qualify for monetization, you need at least 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months or 10 million views on YouTube Shorts. 2. Once eligible, apply for YPP to start earning through ads. 5. Diversify revenue streams. 1. Ad revenue. Earn from ads shown on your videos. 1. Higher engagement and niche-specific content often lead to better ad revenue. 2. Channel memberships. Offer exclusive perks to subscribers who pay a monthly fee. 3. Merchandise shelf. Sell branded merchandise directly through YouTube. 4. Super chats and super stickers. Earn from viewer donations during live streams. 5. YouTube premium revenue. Get a share of revenue from premium subscribers who watch your content. 6. Use affiliate marketing. 1. Promote products or services in your videos and include affiliate links in your descriptions. 1. Earn a commission for every sale generated through your links. 7. Offer sponsored content. 1. Partner with brands to promote their products or services in your videos. 1. Make sure the sponsorship aligns with your audience's interests and disclose sponsored content to maintain transparency. 8. Sell your own products or services. 1. Use your channel to market ebooks, courses, consultations, or physical products. 2. Platforms like Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee allow you to offer exclusive content to your most loyal fans. 9. Analyze and improve. 1. Use YouTube Analytics to track your video performance, audience demographics, and traffic sources. 2. Experiment with different types of content to see what resonates best with your audience. 3. Continuously learn about trends, algorithm updates, and new monetization features. 10. Stay compliant and authentic. 1. Follow YouTube's community guidelines and copyright policies to avoid strikes and demonetization. 2. Prioritize authenticity. 2. Viewers are drawn to genuine creators who provide value and entertainment. Key takeaway: success on YouTube requires dedication and a clear strategy. By focusing on originality, connecting with your audience, and diversifying your income sources, you can turn your passion into a sustainable career. Stay consistent, adapt to changes, and never stop improving your craft.